guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to move my phone contacts to my Google account. So if you want to do this, it's very simple. So first thing you have to do is open up your settings, your phone settings, and scroll down to Google services. Click on Google services and make sure you're logged in into the account you want to actually move the contacts into. Click on all services right here. Scroll down till you see Google Contact Sync. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to actually see this where you say also sync device. Click on this right here and make sure you turn this on. So let's just try to. So you're going to actually turn this on. The Google Contact Sync is turned on. You click on this right here. Click on that and it's going to start syncing. So you can see all the contact has been synced into my Google account. So this is just literally how to do the contact link, and all my contacts from my phone SIM card it's going to actually move to my Google account. So this very simple and easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.